Hey YouTube, today I'm just fitting a new grip module on my Alien, and if you haven't seen my previous videos, I do have a video specifically on removing the grip from the gun. Okay, so this is my old grip. As you can see, it's really worn. It's getting chewed away. It's very soft material, and I got a lot of rounds on this gun. So I was going to fit a grip module, and I've tried to do this in the past and I was unsuccessful. It's really tight to get a new grip module on there, and so I want to show you exactly what I did to get this grip module to fit. Alright, so I'm just going to pop it apart real quick here. You're going to need something to protect your thumb while you depress the trigger. Okay, and like I said, I have a video on this. Okay, so yeah, here's the old one, and what I had to do, because of course everything looks exactly the same, but these things are fit within a micron. Okay, the machining on these is so tight, but there's a little triangle area right in here. It's the shape of a triangle, and that's actually what locks the grip up. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that in there. It's a triangle, and what we need to do is I cut a piece of 400 grit sandpaper the width of this area here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually sand the inside edge, and the edge that we're looking to fit is this top edge in here and this top edge in here. And we're not even going to sand the finish off it. All we're going to do is literally polish that. So I cut a piece of cardboard backing and a piece of sandpaper. We're going to carefully stick it in there, and we're just going to polish that area up. And again, if we're looking at the sandpaper now, we're actually kind of pulling up on it to get that top edge. So it's really important that the sandpaper comes right to the very edge. Okay, we're just going to work that back and forth. And again, this is actually just, it's not even peeling the finish off. It's just polishing the surface. And I find that it's actually really hard to get these together if you don't do that. So if anyone else is struggling with a new grip, so once I've done that for a while, of course I'm going to pull down with my thumb like this thumb. I'm going to pull down on the trigger guard, and I'm just going to tap this in here. So as I've been doing this, it goes on further and further, and we still have maybe 10 thousandths of an inch to go there. But as I keep polishing that area, it gets tighter and tighter and closer to where it needs to be. So I'm going to keep doing that and come back to you guys in a minute. Alright, so here's the final product. You guys won't be able to see this, but I can see right through this hole for the dowel pin, and also the screw. Without any pressure on anything, the screw threads in by itself. So that's how you know when you got it. So yeah, that's That's all there is to it. I'll show you the final finish in there. So I don't know if you can see anything, but all I've done is polish the finish on this land right here and here, up inside there, right? And that is the only way I've been able to get a brand new grip module to fit my gun. So I'm sure I'm not the only person out there that's gonna have this issue. So there you go. I hope that helps. I'll do another video about how to change the mag release for you guys. And then that's all. Thanks.